Arduino Uno, servo motor driver, and a frame. This project is totally open source and is open source. Let us demonstrate. As you can see, it